Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so actually how to manage it. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll in order to find accounts and backup. Obviously you can do it using Google section, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts and backup, so let me tap on it. Let's enter manage accounts, and in order to add Google account to this device we have to tap on this option, add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, so just connect your device to the internet. And as you can see from this, that we can either create a new account if you don't have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it and here you will receive all the info you need. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it, tap on remove account, tap on remove account again, tap on OK. We have to verify our identity, so let me use the pattern, tap on continue, and it should disappear. As you can see, it just disappeared. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.